Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Genesis GV70 electric versus the Tesla Model Y. We'll explore their electric range and how quickly they charge, crucial for daily commutes and longer journeys. Next, we'll dive into their performance, looking at horsepower and acceleration, along with their overall driving feel. Then, we'll step inside to compare interior design, technology, and practical cargo space. Finally, we'll touch upon their value proposition and available configurations.
Now let's get everything prepped. Start by gently patting your salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a crispier skin. Next, chop your chosen vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1 inch in size. This ensures even cooking. Toss the vegetables with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances their natural flavors. It's time to season and roast. Place your prepped vegetables on one side of a parchment-lined baking sheet. Season the salmon fillets generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs like dill or parsley. Arrange the salmon on the other side of the baking sheet, ensuring everything has a little space. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until the salmon is cooked through. Finally, let's get ready to serve. The salmon is perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Garnish your beautiful dish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley or chives. Serve immediately and enjoy your healthy, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.